Well, the first hunt of the night left me a little bit confused. That's a raccoon down there in the distance next to the tank. And off in the distance over here is some sort of big cat. I saw it moving through the brush. Could not tell if it had a tail or not. It looks a lot bigger than the raccoon does. But after I did GPS on them, the cat wasn't that much further away and didn't look that much bigger. I even tried walking down to this low area, but couldn't see it from there. Later I saw it walk off and it was just a big old bobcat. And Carpe Sus, the only hog of the night. This is hog out there in the pasture eating the winter wheat behind a brand new fence. Got cattle off in the distance. Wind is definitely my favorite at this point. The only problems I'm having are with traffic on the roadway, lighting me up as it drives by. So here I've moved up to the fence line, trying to make sure that I'm aiming over the fence with my Lone Star Armory TX-15 multi-purpose carbine enhanced, through which I'll be shooting some Druid Hill Armory loaded Remington Core-Lokt bullets into Starline brass that my buddy Dinny provided for me. Got no cattle in the background. Here, I've sped up the video a little bit. I'm going to take a shot right here. And that went through the shoulder and was too high on the neck, so I shot it again. And because it was still moving around, shot it a third time. It goes through the curly shuffle, and then here come the cattle. You never know where the cattle are going to run or if they're going to run. In this case, they're coming to check out what's happening.
Safe.
Brass Catcher by Tactical Brass Recovery.
This was my only hog of the night, a boar coming in at 135 pounds. Carpe Sus, my friends.